ExpertOption deposit methods. In this video, we will talk about funding methods and how to make a deposit. To begin, choose your deposit amount. Either choose one of these options or type in your own amount. Select the currency of your account. Remember that after your first deposit, you won't be able to change it. Now choose your payment method. To view all the methods available in your location, click on the Others button. Your selection includes Visa, MasterCard, local online banking, and a variety of e-wallets including NetSeller, Skrill, Perfect Money, and WebMoney. We also work with UnionPay, Alipay, WeChat, and QQ. For credit and debit cards, we have provided several options. In some cases, your card may be declined. If so, it won't be charged. Please try other bank card options to find out which one works for your bank and country. Alternatively, you can choose to deposit using an e-wallet. Every funding method has a different limit per transaction. If you come across a limit, deposit your full amount in separate transactions. Sometimes your bank applies its own payment limit on your card, in which case you should contact your bank to resolve the issue. All transactions made on the ExpertOption platform are handled according to PCI DSS bank security standards. This means that all your data is encrypted, kept private, and never stored on our servers. Furthermore, ExpertOption is regulated by the VFSC and the FMRRC, ensuring your safety at all stages of the process. Keep in mind, the amount you choose to deposit also determines the account type you will trade on. You can see which account type you will get on the bar at the bottom of the page. With every account you unlock, more features help you to trade. Check out the full benefits of each account in the Account Types tab. Lastly, ExpertOption gives you the choice to add a bonus. Your bonus changes depending on your deposit amount. Simply tick or untick the Receive Bonus option on the side and you are set to go. Still have any questions about deposits? Speak to us. ExpertOption wishes you successful trading.